Modules are really the way to provide a scaffolding for your Canvas course. You can find modules under this tab. Simply click New Module. I'm just going to give you the option to create the module name. If you wanted to, you could have it locked until the first day of class or the day after class so nobody could peek ahead. Once you have a second module created, you have the ability to add a prerequisite, so they can only see the second module if they've finished the first module. And we're going to leave that on for now. Once you have the modules created, you have a handful of options to create things. You can create assignments, quizzes, files, content page, discussion, text headers. You can post external tools and URLs directly underneath these pages, or excuse me, underneath these modules. One thing, if you already have content pages made, you can link to them right here. So this is the introduction page that you saw me make earlier, and if I click on that, it's going to link that page directly in. I really like using these text headers. So you can have text headers that would help to categorize everything. Something simple like readings and assignments. If you were going to post your PowerPoint notes, or if you record your classes, then you could have a tab under each one where you could post those. You can also have an introduction that falls outside of all of those, that kind of frames what the module is all about. Once you have these created, you have the ability to indent them and move them along this way. So if you wanted the introduction to fall into the readings, you could do that, and you could tier things even further if you wanted to. And again, this is all about creating a scaffolding for your structure for your class, and it's a lot about personal preference and how you want things to view. Once they're created, they're going to collapse and be able to expand like that. So if I decided that rather than having this page which right now simply gives me the video that I want to show and a link back to the home page, another option I would have is to add the external tool directly. So just like I did on the front page, I can find within these tools, you can see there's all kinds of tools that we can use within here. I can find that video again, going further with Canvas, and yep, I'm still the first one, and I can I've got myself 2 plays already, and I can embed that directly. It gives me some options. I can create a new tab, or I can indent it, and I add the item. So rather than having this page, which isn't serving me any function right now, I'm going to choose to remove this page, and I'm going to put this going further with Canvas directly in the readings, and I'm going to indent it 1 so that it's very obvious that it falls underneath the readings. And now that's going to link me directly to that video, and I don't need to have a page if there's no other content available for it or necessary on the page. Again, this comes down to personal preference.